New laws like GDPR, CCPA, and e-privacy brought more regulations on personal data. We need to stay flexible to adapt. TrustCommander helps you customize and stay compliant easily. You can use it with any TMS. In this video, you will see how to create a compliant privacy footer with a link to the Privacy Center. I log into the Commander platform. I go to the TrustCommander module in the Tag Management tab, then Dashboard. I access the body container to see the existing tags. My tags appear here. For the moment, the tags are constrained by default in a single category, statistics. Then I switch to TrustCommander, the consent management platform. We see my statistics category, and now I'll create one called advertising. I write a description for the Privacy Center. If necessary, I can also add subcategories. You can see the new category here, and now I will show how to assign tags to it. Here, I see my list of tags and their corresponding category. The first ones, I don't need to change them, but I assign advertising to the last ones in one click. Next step, I need to create a privacy banner. I access the tab Privacy Banner. I write a name to identify it and choose a layout from the existing templates. In my case, I want a footer with a Privacy Center. On the left, I see the basic form of the template, and on the right, the customization window. You can change the footer text as well as the font and the background color to match your brand. I can change the button, its text and color, and add a second or even a third button. I select the default position, opt-in or opt-out. Finally, I have the possibility to add up custom CSS or custom JavaScript if I need. I can also alter the Privacy Center as I want. At this point, I can modify the categories created earlier and the descriptions. You can also adapt the buttons and choose their default position, on, off, or neutral. Again, I can add custom CSS or JavaScript. Now I can get creative and adjust the banner to my company. I created a functional Privacy Center in a few clicks that I can generate and deploy. And this is how it looks on my website. You see my footer in my Privacy Center where visitors can choose their consent by categories. Next, I'm going to check on my dashboard to analyze the performance. The filters can give you a better understanding. By categories, by banner, by device, by geography, in this case, EU or not. I am able to export the numbers and choose the relevant period. The figures in this table reflect the consent rate for each of your banners or for each type of opt-in. And now you're done.